Is coconut oil good for you? I was asked this question when I was giving a presentation to about 5,000 Fijians a few years ago. They asked me, is coconut oil good for you? Because they had been told that it was bad. And so I asked them a question. Were your ancestors healthy? There was a silence. And then these 5,000 Fijians began to laugh because they were very healthy. When Captain Cook landed on those South Pacific Islands, he was confronted with the most magnificent specimens of humanity he had ever seen. The men were tall, strong, agile. They had perfect teeth. The women were very beautiful. They had beautiful, long, silky hair. In some islands it was a little shorter. He had a little bit of trouble with his men. The women were so beautiful. And what did they eat every meal? Coconut oil. They have coconut every meal.
Coconut oil, extracted from the flesh of mature coconuts, is a versatile oil used not only in cooking and baking, but also in cosmetics and wellness routines. In recent years, it's earned a reputation as a superfood, praised for its potential health benefits. From supporting brain function to enhancing skin health, coconut oil has become a staple for many health-conscious individuals. One of the experts championing its benefits is barbaraOneill, a renowned naturopath and health educator. In today's video, we'll dive into the remarkable health advantages of coconut oil, as shared by barbaraOneill, and how you can incorporate it into your daily life.
Recently, I was talking to a couple. The lady was Samoan, her husband was Hawaiian. They were in their mid-40s, and they said, yes, that's what we grew up. That we grew up with coconut in every single meal.
barbaraOneill explains that our ancestors were stronger and healthier, partly due to their regular consumption of coconut oil. It was a staple in their diets, providing essential nutrients that supported both physical and mental well-being. In tropical regions, the traditional use of coconut oil reflects its important role in promoting vitality. According to Dr. barbaraOneill, societies that regularly include coconut oil in their meals experience fewer chronic diseases like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. This suggests that coconut oil plays a key role in overall health. One reason barbaraOneill believes our ancestors thrived on coconut oil is due to its nutritional profile. Rich in medium-chain fatty acids, particularly lauric acid, known for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, these fats are easily digested and quickly converted into energy, making them excellent for supporting metabolic health.
And I'm very thankful for Dr. Bruce Fife, who has written many books on the coconut oil. In fact, I can't tell you how many, but I think it might be up to 6 or 7 or maybe even 8 by now. One's the miracle oil, coconut oil. Another one is coconut cures. Another one is oil pulling. Another one is his books on neurological problems. His book, Stop Autism Now, talks about all neurological problems in children. And his other book, Stop Alzheimer's Now, talks about all neurological problems in adults. And the remedy is coconut oil. And he shows in there that because coconut oil is high in medium-chain fatty acids, the liver breaks it down to ketones. And he shows that ketones are neurohealers, neuroprotectors. It is a remarkable oil. I believe Dr. Bruce Fife should be receiving a Nobel Prize for his books on the coconut oil because he shows the science behind what history has already shown us, that the South Pacific Islanders endured magnificent health.
barbaraOneill has frequently highlighted the work of Dr. Bruce Fife, a renowned authority on the health benefits of coconut oil. Often referred to as Dr. Coconut, Dr. Fife has extensively explored how coconut oil can enhance brain function. He has even suggested that coconut oil may help prevent or reverse the effects of Alzheimer's disease. His research shows that the medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, found in coconut oil are converted into ketones, which the brain can use as an alternative fuel source. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with neurodegenerative diseases, where the brain's ability to process glucose is compromised. By providing energy through ketones, coconut oil may help stabilize neurons and slow cognitive decline. As a result, Many health professionals, including barbaraOneill, advocate for the use of coconut oil as a dietary supplement for those with Alzheimer's or other forms of cognitive impairment.
Health. Until the white man came with his 5 lethal whites. What are the 5 lethal whites? White rice, white flour and its products, white sugar, white salt, and the white dairy milk. It is those 5 lethal whites that are causing the problems that we see in the South Pacific Islands today. A lot of the people are obese. It's not because of the coconut oil, it's because they've stopped the coconut oil. It's because those white products gives too much glucose into the body and it has to be stored as fat. That's why they are big. And the pancreases are getting worn out. There was no diabetes, no heart disease on the island until white man came.
While coconut oil offers many health benefits, Dr. barbaraOneill emphasizes the need to eliminate harmful foods from the diet, particularly the 5 lethal whites. These include white rice, white bread, white flour and its products, white sugar, and white dairy milk. According to barbaraOneill, these processed foods are major contributors to modern health issues such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. During production, these white foods are stripped of their natural nutrients, leaving behind products high in calories but lacking essential vitamins and minerals. For example, white sugar causes blood sugar spikes, leading to insulin resistance and increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Similarly, white bread and white rice, being refined grains, lack fiber and essential nutrients, contributing to weight gain and digestive problems. barbaraOneill advocates replacing these lethal whites with healthier alternatives like whole grains, natural sweeteners, and unprocessed dairy to significantly improve health and lower the risk of chronic diseases.
They listened to the white man because he brought in technology, he brought in many reforms. Some of those islanders were cannibals. They showed them what a wonderful thing it is to serve God and what freedom it is to be freed from these evil practices. So they trusted the white man. But unfortunately, they could have shown the white man how to eat. When I say unfortunately, it's because they believe the white man, and it was good and right that they believe him in many ways, but not regarding his diet. So the coconut oil is a remarkable oil.
While barbaraOneill and many others praise the health benefits of coconut oil, it's important to acknowledge that not all health experts agree. Some raise concerns about its high levels of saturated fat, particularly for those at risk of heart disease. However, the saturated fats in coconut oil differ from those found in animal products like butter and meat. Beyond heart health, coconut oil offers a range of benefits, including promoting skin and hair health, supporting weight management, boosting energy levels, and more. barbaraOneill emphasizes that moderation is key. Balance and variety are essential when it comes to dietary fats. Including coconut oil as part of a whole foods-based diet can be beneficial, but it's also important to incorporate other healthy fats such as olive oil, nuts, and avocados. If you're finding this content helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on health tips and more.